Hi, this is Michael Orrell from MobileBurn.com, and today we're taking a look at the new Chrome browser beta for Android. It was just released today. This is running on a Google Nexus S. It will run on any Android 4.0 compatible device, so you might see some other videos using a Galaxy Nexus, which definitely has a little bit more horsepower, runs a little bit smoother. You can see there's some lags here. Specifically when it first starts up a page and sometime with double tapping. So we have double tap support as well as multi-touch zooming. Let's go through some of the basic features. If you have really small links, it's always been a problem to get to them. You have to zoom in order to see them, but Chrome handles that quite differently by just tapping there, and it gives you a zoomed view, which is really nice. Just tap again to make it go away. Relatively smooth performance. Considering it's a beta build. You can see right here I've got 6 tabs open. I can tap on that button to get a nice view of them all. You can also use a multi-touch gesture to stretch them out so as you can get a good look at them. And when you don't need one, you just swipe it off kind of like you would do with WebOS. This is the mobile version of our site. The font's messed up here. It's actually showing a serif-based font. Normally it would be showing Arial or Verdana or something like that. So there's no FontKit support in the browser yet. Google will add that later, but you're going to see some font issues. Also, notice I can move from tab to tab just by swiping from the one edge to the other. And here you see another problem with font sizes. This is the Google News site on technology section, I believe. You can see how weird it's handling the font sizes and relative column sizes. One cool feature is, it's more of a, I guess, a gimmick, but it is accelerometer based, so you can scroll through the tabs a little bit just by tilting the device, which is kind of cool looking. Not all that useful, I suppose, but really a well animated system. Go open a new tab here. You see the nice transition effect, and you have access to a lot of different things here. Let's go first look at the history. This is what I've opened up recently. You can go into bookmarks, and I have access to my desktop bookmarks because it syncs with a desktop computer, which is pretty cool. You can actually sync between multiple devices. So what we've got here is my mobile bookmarks as well as my desktop bookmarks. I can just easily go through and grab one. One of the coolest features, though, is the fact that it synchronizes tabs across devices. So right now this is a list of tabs that I currently have open on my desktop version of Chrome. You can tap through one of them and automatically go to that URL. I just want to demonstrate that everything works, of course, in landscape mode as well. And I'm guessing I can swipe up to close tabs. And of course, you always need some sort of navigation for going forward and back. So if you hit the menu button here, you can see we have a dedicated back button there, and I can do it again and press the forward button. Also get access to bookmarks and adding a new bookmark. Supports the incognito mode that you see in the desktop version as well as in the Android Honeycomb version of the browser. This will also work on Android tablets as long as they're running Android 4.0. Google's not said whether or not they're going to bring this browser to older versions of Android though. Other enhancements to the browser that you can't necessarily see is that it's faster when it comes to benchmarking for JavaScript. The SunSpider test, it performs better than the stock browser. Also has a prefetching system that supposedly will start fetching data even before you're finished typing in the URL. So that's my quick look at the new Chrome beta browser for Android. Very cool new browser for the Android 4.0 ice cream sandwich platform. For MobileBurn.com, I'm Michael Orrell. Thanks for watching.